What's up, Glam Squad? Today I'm going to be doing a neutral, natural, soft glam look. Okay, you guys, you already know that I done my brows off camera. I do have a separate video on how I do my brows. You can check that. It's going to be in the description box below. For my base, I usually use MAC Paint Pot Soft Ochre, but I fell in love with Juvia's Place concealer, you guys, so I use that as my base, and I'm just putting a light brown kind of burgundy-ish color on my lid. I'm not sure if you guys saw earlier in the video, I started to apply the brown with a different brush. I'm very particular on what brushes I use for my eye look, so I will be doing a different video explaining on which brush is best for whatever eye look you're going for. To soften this look and give it the ombre effect that I wanted to have, I did go in with yellow just to give it that pop of color. And to continue the ombre effect, I did go in with a darker brown. Speaking of which, it is fall, you guys, so these kind of looks would be perfect to wear this time of the year. During this time, you're gonna see me just blending it out the best way I can, and you might see me add more dark brown. The key to any look is the blending, okay? Is the blending and the brush. So make sure you have the correct brush and you spend a good time blending. Guys, I'm sorry I left out an important fact. I used all the eyeshadows that were in my Juvia's Place palette. Okay, you guys, I would put the palettes down below in the description box, and I promise to remind myself to show you guys the eyeshadow and the palettes. After applying this foil goldish color, I just want to make sure again that I'm blending. You want to blend like your life is depending on you, okay, you guys? So once that is complete, I'm going to go in with the dark brown again and just create, is not a sharp cut crease or half cut crease, is a soft cut crease. I didn't want it to have like a harsh line because this is a neutral, natural glam look. And you guys don't already know, like, you guys know what eyeliner I'm using. I'm using e.l.f. I'm using my OG eyeliner. This eyeliner I don't think I will ever let go because it's just it doesn't crack, it doesn't smear, it's the best, it's affordable, man. And here I go. I always have to do something extra. So I did go in with an orange glitter eyeliner to make this look pop even more. So moving on to my face, I did use my MAC Prep and Prime. I don't know if it's a lotion or if it's a primer. All I know is I did use that, and I used my Benefit Poreless primer. And yes, you guys, I am color correcting today. Sadly, I'm not going to be using my Juvia's Place foundation. I'm going to be using a different foundation because I need to save that foundation. Like, I'm not going to be wearing that every time because it like it's so bomb, you know. So the foundation I'm wearing right now, I think it's CoverGirl. There you go. And I'm just going to blend that in my face the best way I can. It's not full coverage, so in certain spots I did have to go back and apply more. after I'm done blending that out, I always like to go back with a beauty blender just to make sure it's packed in, and to me it just makes it more flawless. You guys, I don't think I can use a NYX concealer ever. Like, this concealer is so bomb. I think I'm gonna have to go try out Fenty's concealer just so I can compare the two, but this concealer is so bomb. It leaves my face not feeling cakey, heavy. It just gives me that flawless look, you guys. And it's easy to blend out. Like, it's not too heavy. After I done blend out the concealer, I'm just packing it on with translucent powder from Juvia's Place as well. I think the color is Savannah.
Hey mama, come. What's up? What's up? What's up? You guys, she's a busybody. She don't want to sit still. She don't want to sit still. Look, 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 look. Look at you. Look at you.
So after dealing with Miss Bailey, I just went up and powdered my face, and you guys, my face was looking so flawless. Okay, you guys, I did go a little overboard with the highlight, you guys. I really did, but I just made sure I blended it out the best way I can. And with my lips, I just applied my MAC Cream Cup, which is my favorite lipstick from them because it's just easy. Like, you can apply it on, you can throw on some lip gloss, and that's that. No liner needed. So after applying mascara to my bottom lash, I did go back in with Trophy Wife by Fenty just to make that extra glow. Okay, you guys, I wanted the sun to hit me in the right places. Okay, but that's all for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.